All right, we're going to open the box to the dust test kit and see what's inside. Finally, a test mold can't hide from. What an ERMI test does is it gives you a total load of the various different contaminants that are in the building. What we have here is we have the ability to activate the kit. The kit by itself comes in, it's not assigned to any particular building or client. So you can either use your phone and use your phone with this thing here to go into the system, or you can actually just visit the website. I've already done that with this kit. It's assigned to me. And so after this video, I'll actually show the slides of that process if you do it with your computer. And then it has the activation code. This is the code that assigns this kit to your account, and there's also that same number is going to be on the chain of custody bag you'll see in a minute. So we go inside. Some basic instructions, the dust test. Step 1, register. Step 2, collect your sample. Step 3, ship it. And then step 4, you're going to be talking with somebody that will interpret the report for you. You want to wear these gloves. You don't want to have your fingers contaminating the sample, so that's, again, part of the chain of custody. You have the actual Swiffer pad. Now, the way this thing works is each room has 3 levels you're checking from. You're going to check the tops of door frames, the high parts of the room, 2 to 3 samples from there, or swipes. You're going to go into tops of counters or something that's about mid-level in the room, 2 to 3 swipes there, and down near the floor, usually the tops of baseboards. What we're doing is we're actually swiping the tops of horizontal surfaces where dust and mold or whatever has collected on those places. We're just picking that up. So that's how you collect the samples, right? Then we have the bag. Again, this bag shows the same activation code so that that sample is assigned to your account through this bag. You put the sample in there when it's done. Then you pop it into the mailing label. It comes prepaid, it's all ready to go. So you just drop it off at the post office, UPS, Crown, or UPS store, and off it goes. It goes in, and then you wait to hear back from them. All right, so that's the kit. Again, following this video, I'll show you the slides of when I actually activated this kit on the computer.